Pi Network just made one of its most important moves since the project began. For years, we've been waiting for that one change that would make Pi truly easy for anyone, anywhere, to get their hands on. And now, it's here. The Pi wallet has officially launched on-ramp purchase support, and it's going to change the game for millions of users worldwide. In this video, I'm going to explain what this update means, how it works, and why it could spark the next major growth wave for Pi Network. Here's what's new. Pi Wallet now lets you buy Pi directly with your local currency. That's right. You can pay using your credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even local bank transfers, and get Pi sent straight into your wallet. No exchange accounts. No complicated blockchain transfers. No needing to understand crypto jargon. You simply open your Pi wallet, tap the on-ramp option, choose your payment method, and within minutes, your Pi is ready to use. This is possible thanks to partnerships with trusted, KYB-verified providers like OnRamper, Banksa, and TransFi, covering over 70 countries with hundreds of local payment methods. Now, why is this so important? Well, one of the biggest barriers in crypto is simply getting started. New users often run into roadblocks, creating an exchange account, verifying their identity, learning how to withdraw coins to a wallet, and understanding transaction fees. For a lot of people, that's overwhelming, and they give up before they even make their first purchase. Pi Network has just removed all of that friction. This new on-ramp feature means you don't need to be a blockchain expert to own Pi. You just need a phone and a payment method. That's a massive leap forward for accessibility. Think about it. Before this, if someone wanted to buy Pi, they'd often need to go through a multi-step process involving exchanges, wallet addresses, and sometimes even third-party apps. For many people, especially beginners, that's just too much. But now, if you don't have an exchange account, no problem. If you don't know how to move coins between wallets, no problem. You can now join the Pi ecosystem as easily as downloading an app and making an in-app purchase. You tap, you pay, and your Pi appears in your wallet, instantly, safely, and without the risk of making a costly mistake during a transfer. What makes this even more powerful is the global reach. With OnRamper, Banksa, and TransFi integrated, Pi's on-ramp works in over 70 countries, offering hundreds of local payment options. That means people in North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and beyond can now access Pi in a way that's tailored to their region. In emerging markets, where many people might not have access to major crypto exchanges, this could be the bridge they've been waiting for. It's not just about convenience, it's about financial inclusion and giving people in underbanked regions a simple way to join a global digital currency network. Another thing to note, Pi didn't just rush this out. All the providers involved are KYB certified and compliant, which means transactions are handled with proper oversight and security. That's a big deal for building trust, both with users and with regulators. In today's crypto environment, where scams and risky exchanges make headlines, having compliant, verified partners is a way for Pi to say, we're serious about long-term adoption, and we're doing things the right way. We're witnessing a turning point. Pi Network has just lowered the entry barrier to almost zero. If you've been waiting for the right moment to get involved, this is it. The easier Pi is to access, the faster our community can grow, and the closer we get to a future where Pi is part of everyday life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with other pioneers. And if you're new to Pi Network and want to join, check the pinned comment below for my referral link and get started. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.